Yahoo, 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 Hey, my people, we don't receive bank alert oh. Our free money don't enter for Buhari so as they talk to you now. Free money don't come, e don't show. Hey, account don red. Omo, I know say UK don send that money wey Ibori be carry comot 20 comot for the country. UK don send the money come, so they don send the money as they talk to una now. So my people, now the issue wey dey ground be say as they don send the money, Delta state government they come dey complain, dey lament say why they send this money so go give government. Say the money suppose come, say na their money, say e suppose come their own account. Federal government dem come dey talk, dey ask Delta state government say how the money take be their money, whether how they wan take collect money wey they no dey find. For those of una wey no know who James Ibori be, James Ibori na former ex-governor of Delta state oh. My people, make I come dey gist una small, make I explain the tori give una small. This old money wey don shele now, the alert don come. Make I explain small of these details give una. And I remember that time wey Ibori matter be come up then, where they be arrest am for money wey him thief when him comot for the country. When UK people they say make they check, say Ibori be thief money, say they wan send the money back. But Delta state then they come dey lament, they support the man. If you see how they talk, say money no dey miss, say they no dey find any money oh. Delta state sit down gangangara, they stay for ground jingere, they say money no dey miss, say Ibori no take any money. Last so Ibori come accept to the crime, say he dey guilty, say yes, he know say he take money, he come accept to the crime oh. Now wey be say UK don send back the money, the federal government account don ring, e don red like this. Omo na if Delta state dem dey come begin dey vex, so they don dey lament say the money na their own, say make they send back the money come give them oh. Na wetin they come dey complain, so how Delta state wan take collect money wey no be their own? Why na wan come collect money wey no be na own? Make una just see the video.
I listened to members of the House of Rep represent Delta State. They took a motion which was passed, and that has been communicated. But on our own part, I have spoken with the Attorney General of the Federation. My Attorney General went to have a meeting with him. I think that we are working and we are likely to come on the same page. We have written a formal letter of protest to Mr. President, which we have also copied the office of the Attorney General. You see, many people will possibly want to see me shout about those things, but I believe in going through a bureaucratic process, and many times we have had successes through that. I believe that ours is to convince the federal government for them to know that actually that money ought to be returned to Delta, or if it's not going to be returned directly to Delta, it must be spent on projects that are within Delta. Otherwise, the people of Delta will feel cheated.
And I don't see the video, so at Delta state they want to collect money. Make na bring Okowa come, make I follow and talk. Ogami Okowa. I want to ask you one question, Okowa. So I hope say they hear me so. I hear say you don't write letter of protest give my boo-boo. You don't write letter of protest give boo-boo. This one funny me oh. Now right, now one in don write oh. Very soon a book of protest now Okowa go begin they send, they give boo-boo, because I know say cutting board full my boo-boo here like this, so you know they even want listen to them, you know they even mind them. Me I no get issues with Okowa, I no get issues with my man at all, but you know say my own be say if I see truth I go talk say na truth, if I see black I go tell you say na black. Me I know they support evil, I no like bad thing at all. But for this matter, so when they ground, federal government na they right, na they do where I give a thumbs up. In fact, making I use that money do better thing for the country. That is if na go do the thing o, because as they praise na small time I go fuck up again, I go jabo. Make una use that money do better thing for the country now wey we don dey praise now. The money now e good as e come for now. Make una sit down put for the money. Make una no even mind Delta State o, because this one now e go teach them small lesson. Next time they no go dey support corruption. They no go sit down put on top corruption, because we dey there just dey complain about federal government. We no know say some kind southeast governors, they just dey do their own government. They just dey do their own atrocity. They make people live in poverty, just dey go. We go dey talk federal government. Make we go look in other states, go see wetin the government dey do there. Their own self even bad if they begin dey open their own chapters. Na only God go help us for this place o. Delta State, make una carry chair put una yansh sit down put, because this matter una go lose the matter. Okowa, go sleep. Make una bring my boo come, make I follow and talk small. Boo Aboki, my man, how are you? I no come to insult you. You know say me and you, we no dey flow all the time. We no be paddy, we no be 5 and 6. But for this matter, so me and you na bestie, we be 5 and 6, we be friends. Boo, for this matter, so I come to congratulate you. I don't come ginger your morale. Make you sit down put for the money. No release any funding give Delta State. They be learners. They learn for this matter. They don't even know where they bath put their clothes. Money where they say they know they find. Money where they know they miss. Now in one come outside, one claim money. In a don't they hear some kind madness. Delta State, make una go sleep. Shebi when we dey talk about the matter, una say Ibori no carry any money comot. Now why una dey come dey find some kind of men a leave boo, men a no find boo trouble now. Men a no just go sleep. Boo no mind them, no even listen to them. Delta State na fit go sleep for all we care. But boo. Just small thing for your girl. You suppose water my table for me. Make my own account ring. Pakam, I won't receive my own credit alert. You know, I know say me I be your girl. I be your person. Send me my own share of the money, so I go dey feed the updates my people on some kind story wey go dey come up. If you no send come for me, your next fuck up now, so I go carry and come for this table. My people, na the matter with this one I can't give you now. Ibori money, they don't bring her come back. Oh, Delta State, make una go sleep. This money belong to the federal government. My people, so make una tell me in a take on this matter. Oh, I want know in our own contribution for this thing where Delta State, they don't dey write letter of protest. They won't come stress my Okowa for no just reason. Okowa no start wetin you no fit finish. So everybody, go and sleep. The money belongs to the federal government. Federal government, invest the money, use the money and do something wise for the country, so that everybody too foresee. Make e no come be another audio money where we go here. So my people, now the story be this, so I can't give you now. So don't forget to like, comment, share our video, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Stay tuned for our next video.